Good day, my name is Richard and my wife is Rica Michelle Espadio, and we have two kids, David and Solomon. Currently I'm one of the elders of Bible Christian Church of Pampanga, and once in a while I do pulpit ministry. What are the specific changes? CCI has helped me realize what it's helped me to see my purpose in life more clearer. No, 20 years ago, 15 years ago, I want to become a successful civil engineer, build bridges, build tall high-rise buildings. But now I want to communicate God's love. CCI has helped me develop my preaching skills, my teaching skills, how to share God's love to other people. It helped me become more comfortable in sharing God's word, and it helps me develop my other spiritual gifts. The truth impacted me during the CCI course. I think I learned that all of life is all about God. All about God's love, God's promises, God's provision. Our duty is just to follow Him, make our lives aligned to His purpose. CCI has helped me, gave me the burden to share God's love to my parents, and now, by God's grace, my parents are now actively participating in our life group ministry,